Good evening to guys, all of you. Welcome to my channel Techno Pro. Today we are going to talk about the latest security patch which was given by OnePlus for the model number OnePlus Nord 2 5G. Okay, so please subscribe to my channel Techno Pro. Okay, let's start with the video. How we can do that update. So first you have to go to the settings, have to go to the about device, and you can click on new version available. See, it is checking and it is saying update available. What is the version name? It is saying DN2101 underscore 11 underscore C dot 12. Let first see what is the update all about the version. They are saying this update is the integrate the December 2022 Android security patch to enhance system security. What are the things you must remember? Updating the system will not delete or modify any data. For security, it is recommended. They are asking us to take the backup and all. So I will show you how to install it. First how to download it and then install it. So let's download that. It's around 453 MB. I have connected to 5G, so hopefully it will not take much time. Okay, let us see. Yes, it will tell you it will be downloaded within a minute or so. It's showing 20 MB per second, so you can see the download speed in here itself. It won't take more than a minute, that's what I believe. Okay, and it's almost done. It's completed. Now it is asking me to install. If I go and give the installed, then it will get restarted. Then my device will get restarted, and then it will apply the patches. Now if how you can check it, if you are not getting that updates, you can click it here. You can select on auto update. Okay, you can select all the options auto update overnight. If you want to delete through the Wi-Fi or mobile data, because I have selected Wi-Fi, that's what it was giving me a caution saying that you are using your mobile data. So let me change it Wi-Fi or mobile data, so it will auto download, auto update. But let me stop it here for the time being so that it will not get auto installed. Okay, so I will let me restart it, and then we will continue back to this video, right? So okay, let me install it. If I give the installed, it will get in. So now let's see, we have completed the update. Here you can go and see it. You can go and see it in the about device. Here you can click on this up to date. You can see the latest version DN2101 underscore 11 underscore C dot 12. Earlier version 1 C dot 11, and this got updated. So if you want to know more information, you can click on this community plus and see what is this all about, this update and all. So that is the update is all about. So you can do your update from the phone itself and you can check it. Okay, and this was the all about. See, it's showing the Android security update December 5th 2022. This is the December 2022 security update. So thank you all for watching this video. I hope you like it. Please subscribe and like to my channel, and thank you all. See you again.